Hello again. Another update. We have finally managed to suss the Sports Chrono. So, as you can see, we've got our gauge, which we've been working on a lot. We've got our cluster. Now, if we go into our menus, we've got our chrono menu, and we can start the timing. So, if I hit start timing, we start getting our time counting up, and we'll get our stopwatch here. Now if I stop timing, that was pause on 12 seconds, 13.7, 13.72. If I reset, that will go here, and that will pop up on our display a history of our time. So if we exit that, go back into our start timing, it starts counting. Got our lap timers as well, so we can say new lap. This will reset the lap timer on the dashboard, and like the original clock, the timer will keep on running. So then do another interim time, do another new lap, lap 3. Here we go, carry on timing. Now what I'll leave it on here, do stop timing, reset, and we get the timings for each of our laps. Yeah, hope that's of interest. Now we've got the full replication of the original functionality, won't lose anything, and you still get all of your bonus features with it: speed, RPM, oil temperature, water temperature, boost on turbos, battery voltage, and we also have programmed up TPMS sensors. So we're just waiting for the left front to pair. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.